Will AI replace jobs in the automotive industry? This is a hot topic, especially for people working in model-based design, also known as MBD, HiL testing, diagnostics, software development, calibration, validation, and more. Let's break it down in simple words. AI is becoming a powerful tool in automotive engineering. It's already helping teams work faster, reduce errors, and even save time. But yes, some repetitive and routine jobs are at risk. First, in manufacturing, robots have already replaced many workers in welding, painting, and assembly. But now, AI is also stepping into the software and testing side. Let's start with the model based design, also known as MBD. Before, engineers created models manually using MATLAB Simulink. Now, AI tools can auto generate models, auto code, and even detect design issues early. So, entry level MBD tasks may reduce, but complex design logic, safety compliance, and system level monitoring still need human intelligence. Well, in the hardware in the loop testing, AI is being used to create test cases, simulate faults, and analyze results. But to understand physical signals, restbus simulation, and fault injection, we still need real engineers. So AI is a helper, not a replacement here. Well, in diagnostics, AI can predict faults from sensor data before a DTC even appears. Basic diagnostic roles may go down, especially those that rely on only tools. But we still need people to develop UDS services, handle issue communication, and analyze real time issues. In software development, AI tools like ChatGPT or Copilot can help generate boilerplate code, review syntax, or even write test cases. But when it comes to AutoSAR, MISTRA compliance, integration, and safety coding, AI can't handle the complexity. Now let's talk about other areas like calibration engineers. AI can speed up parameter tuning and auto optimize values, but real world tuning still needs domain knowledge and driving insights. ECU flashing and reprogramming. AI can automate flashing sequence, but engineers must still handle protocols, fail-safe procedures, and ECU communication. Test automation. AI is already helping in test script generation and log analysis, but planning test strategies, debugging failed test cases, and understanding corner cases still need engineers. Well, manual testing. These are more likely to be reduced, especially for regression or repeated test cases. But complex system validation and real vehicle testing can't be fully automated. So, what's the conclusion? Yes, AI will replace low level, repetitive, and rule based tasks, but it won't replace creative decision making and system level thinking jobs. To stay future ready, focus on learnings like AI tools plus scripting, embedded systems, functional safety, diagnostics and UDS, cybersecurity, real time testing, and simulations. Because AI is not here to steal your job, it's here to take away boring parts so you can focus on smarter work. Stay curious, stay skilled, and you will stay irreplaceable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more content on the future of automotive engineering.